Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and get started with editing a scanned PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com. If you have not already, you can go to the Adobe Acrobat section and get started with downloading the program. Once you've downloaded and open it up and installed it, it's going to look like this. This is going to be the home page that you're greeted by, from where we are going to go and be able to access the recommended tools for you section, where we can take a look at all the tools that we can use. And this is great for beginners to see all the potential uses of Adobe Acrobat. Now let's go ahead and take a look at how to get started with editing scanned PDFs. So basically guys, using this article right here on the official Adobe website on the Adobe Acrobat help page, we can go ahead and take a look at the step-by-step how to edit scanning PDFs. So we are going to go ahead and be able to do it using the edit a PDF option. This is going to enable us to edit any PDF that we scan, but this is only a premium plan option. So keep in mind you cannot use this with a free trial or with a free version of the program. What you need to do is upgrade to the premium plan, and once you've done that, you can get started opening it up from here. Then you can go ahead and go to this article and follow the step-by-step for yourself for your specific use case to take a look at how to use your scanned PDF file and edit it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.